These are the three basic camera settings that determine what your photos look like: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. ISO is the sensitivity level of your camera to available light. When there's plenty of light, use a low ISO, while in darker conditions, increase the ISO. High ISO will make your photos look grainy. Aperture controls how much light comes through your lens. The aperture size is measured in f-stops. A higher f-stop means a smaller aperture opening, while a lower f-stop means a bigger one. Shutter speed is how fast the shutter opens and shuts. Fast shutter speeds allow less light to reach the camera sensor over time. Slow shutter speeds allow more light into the camera over time, which is ideal for nighttime photography. But it can make moving objects look blurry. You can adjust these three settings to achieve different effects. Want a close-up action shot of a sporting event? Try a high shutter speed and a large aperture. How about a detailed landscape panorama? Put your camera on a tripod and use a small aperture and a slow shutter speed. By increasing the ISO, you can keep the shutter and aperture settings the same for taking the photo in low light conditions. Happy snapping!